So for the next topic here, we have speed, distance, and time graph. For the next section, recurring decimals. Okay, so you will identify that there is a dot on top of the numbers. What the dot actually means is that the numbers is repeating. So let's say we have 0.32, whereby there's dot on the 3 and 2. So what it means is that it will be 0.32, 32, 32, etc. So let's say we set x equals to 0.32 and 100x will actually be 32.323232. So in order for you to get rid of the recurring decimals and to make the answer as a fraction, okay, you are actually required to cancel off whatever that's repeating. So that's why there's an x and a 100x there. Okay, if I were to set 10x only, okay, then I will get 3.232323, which if I were to minus them off and get 9x, there will actually be repeating decimals again, which is the things that I don't want. That's why I set 100x over there. Okay, so 100x minus x, you will get 99x and the 32. Okay, you shift off the 99, then you will have x equals to 32 over 99. So there's another type of recurring decimal which is 0.22, okay, and there's dot on top of the 2, okay. So in this case, whatever we're trying to get rid of the 2 that's repeating. So we have x equals to 0.2222 and 10x equals to 2.2222. Minus it off, we'll get 9x equals to 2, x equals to 2 over 9. So this is pretty much it for recurring decimals. Okay, the solution of it is also pretty straightforward. So try to relook into it if you are unfamiliar with this particular topic.